Gaza hospitals have recorded 18 more malnutrition deaths in Gaza over the past 3 days, according to press releases from Gaza's health ministry, as Palestinians continue to starve due to the U.S.-backed Israeli siege. In its latest release on Sunday, the health ministry said at least 8 Palestinians, including 1 child, had starved to death over the previous 24-hour period. This brings the total number of victims of famine and malnutrition to 289, including 115 children, the ministry said. On Friday, the UN-backed Integrated Food Security Phase Classification, IPC, confirmed that famine was taking place in the Gaza Governorate, which includes Gaza City and nearby towns, and that more than 500,000 people in the area were facing catastrophic conditions characterized by starvation, destitution, and death. The IPC said that conditions are expected to worsen, and that between mid-August and the end of September, famine is expected spread to Deir el-Balah, central Gaza, and Khan Yunis in the south. The Israeli government and its supporters are denying that famine is occurring, pointing to the fact that many children suffering from severe malnutrition had pre-existing medical conditions. But the most vulnerable are always the first to be impacted when famine sets in, and there have been many cases recorded of people suffering from severe malnutrition who have no pre-existing conditions. The Israeli newspaper Haaretz published a report on August 21st, based on virtual tours of hospitals and health centers in Gaza, that examined the cases of 27 children and found that 17 of them deteriorated into a state of severe malnutrition without pre-existing health conditions, while 10 suffered from previous illnesses. Based on our conversations, a simple fact emerged. Anyone who claims that the images of starvation in the Strip are a result of acute genetic or other diseases and not due to a grave shortage of food are lying to themselves, the report said. The IPC said that in order to prevent further catastrophe, there must be an immediate ceasefire and the lifting of all restrictions on aid entering Gaza. But Israel is planning a major escalation to take over Gaza City, and President Trump, who has the power to stop the genocidal war by cutting off weapons shipments to Israel, has signaled he'll back whatever the Israeli government chooses to do.